Hello, my name is Nina, and I want to tell you my story. A story full of surprises and adventures. It all began with one mystery. When I was in the library, an old book floated up. Then suddenly, light exploded, filling the library with blinding lights. What secrets could be hidden inside? The book opened on its own, its pages whispering secrets from another world. I found myself in another place which I have never seen before, and the bird appeared, was talking to me. Hello, Nina. My name is Bulbul. Are you ready for the adventure? I will be your guide through the journey for learning Arabic. This journey will be full of adventures you will never forget. But before we start, you need to learn Arabic greetings. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Let's start. Hello in Arabic is marhaba. Marhaba. Try it. Okay. Marhaba. 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 Great, you did it. Good morning in Arabic is Sabahu al-Khair. Sabahu al-Khair. Sabahu al-Khair. Try it. I'm with you. Okay. Sabahu al-Khair. Sabahu al-Khair. Sabahu al-Khair. Sabahu al-Khair. Great. Similar to good morning is good evening. In Arabic it is Masa'u al-Khair. Masa'u al-Khair. Masa'u al-Khair. Try it. Okay. Masa. Yes. Masa'u al-Khair. Masa'u al-Khair. Masa'u al-Khair. Finally, good night in Arabic is Layla Saida. Layla Saida. Layla Saida. Try it. Okay. Layla Saida. Layla Saida. Layla Saida. Layla Saida. Layla Saida. Yes. Let's move on and try it. صباح الخير. Good morning. صباح الخير. مرحبا. Hello. مرحبا. مساء الخير. Good evening. مساء الخير. ليلة سعيدة. Good night. ليلة سعيدة. Your journey to mastering Arabic starts here. Don't just watch, grow with us. Subscribe now and unlock the beauty of the Arabic language. Turn on the bell so you don't miss what's next.